Hi, Chio and Kristen. This is Carolyn. How are you? Okay, so here I am in Oh, here I wanted to get rid of that home page for you too. Turn on your edit mode. Um, that home page link automatically comes in when we roll over content. So if we want it out, we have to take it out every time. Since this is already loading to or landing on the announcements page, cancel, or sorry, not cancel, delete. Okay, whatever, cancel. Fine, should be gone. Anyway, since we're already, there we go, it's Blackboard sucks. Anyway, since we're already landing on the announcements page, there's no reason for that home page. It's just there junking place up. So I went ahead and took it out. But if you want it back in there, I'm sorry, I should have asked, I guess. Then it's easy to add it back in. You just do a plus, and then you do add to a link, and you add the home page back in. At any rate, that's neither here nor there. I just wanted to show you on how to do these links. I already did the one in Spanish 112, and I extended the one in Spanish 111. The one in Spanish 111 was weird because it actually did copy in the link from the original course, but then it copied in those course dates too, so it was closed, and that's why in 111 the students couldn't see it. In 112 there was a link, but it was a link to nowhere, and that's the same thing here in 210. So if we go to content, and then we go to the review, and we go to assignments with a partner. So it's here, review lesson partner assignment. But I click on it, see there's nothing there. So that's what the students are seeing too, no session available. And that means that we have to put a session in. So this is how we do it. Okay, here we go, chat rooms. We want to go to the schedule a session and create a session. So Chio, you said that 111 and 112 need to close next Monday, which is the 31st, and that this one gets 2 more weeks. So let's see, I'm going to close it on the 14th, but if I'm not understanding you correctly, then you can change it. These little sliders change the time, see? So we go all the way to the end for 11 p.m., all the way to the end for 11:45 p.m., because otherwise it's confusing to people as to when it closes. Then done. Then we go to session type is right, room attributes. We want to turn this to automatic because this is the recordings that you want to be able to see, that you don't want them to be able to turn that off. You want all permissions on. That means they can do anything. And then you go down here to roles and access, and you say all users join as moderators. So that allows them to have all the different privileges. Everybody has all the privileges that they need, and then you hit save. Okay, so then you get this here. So then this little drop down guy here allows you to add a link. So we want to go content, lesson 1 review here, and then it's assignments with a partner, and click that, and that's adding the link. Hit save. Do not do integrate with gradebook. You'll be sorry if you do. I did that to start with in 111, and we were sorry, and it took me forever to get all those links back out, so we didn't want that. So at any rate, so we go back in here to assignments with partner, and then we have that old one that was in here already. It was this one here, so I'm going to delete it. And I should have renamed this, gosh darn it. So I'm going to go ahead and go back here, and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to call it partner submission review lesson. How's that? There we go. That should change it in the other place, but because this is Blackboard and Blackboard is of the devil, we want to go and check and make sure that it did it. So let's do assignments with a partner. No. Of course not. Of course not. Edit the link. Oh, it comes because it brings it in as a separate link. Fine. So the takeaway in this is that if you want to change the name, you need to change the name before you make a link because it's 2 separate things. But there you go. That should take us to partners. It's actually called something different over here. Well, something similar. So then they can join the room. So, okay, so 112 and 210 now are done for the first lesson. I'm not going to do the rest of them tonight. And so I thought you guys would want to know how to do it, but we can, if you, Chio, if you want us to do it, and Kristen, if you want me to do it, I do not have a problem doing that, but I wanted to at least make sure that since I had this opportunity to show you how to do it, that we grabbed that opportunity. At any rate, one of the things that we're going to have to do is put a video in the, we need a professor, like an area for information for professor. Is that what this is? No. Okay, well, we need something, a little area that has information for the professors who take it over, and that way we can tell them about, hey, you need to check your questions for the professor area, like we had the problem with Spanish 111. But also, we can do like a little walkthrough video that shows professors how to do this, because eventually professors are going to need to take that over, and that's actually something that's going to have to be done every semester. They're going to have to set up their chat rooms, not just for scheduling a session for these things, but also setting up office hours or whatever. And I should not be in here having a room. So I'm gonna change my role. If you ever see anybody extra in there like me, I had to add myself in here to be able to do editing, and I was not careful and didn't add myself in as a course builder. So if you ever see somebody with an extra room like that, just come here and change their role in the course, and that'll take that room out. I'll go do that in Spanish 112 too, because that's going to be a problem in there. But at any rate, I hope you all are well. Talk to you later. Bye.